I was born in Lansing, Michigan, and I was raised by a single mother. We lived in assisted housing, and I got a scholarship to U of M. I wrestled for them. I got a degree in mathematics and traveled all over the world, doing some of the funnest jobs ever, and spent about 30 years doing that, and came back after I sold my last software company and decided I wanted to do something for the city that raised me. So we started the Fledge, and here we are. We are a radically inclusive ideation and makerspace. Our mission is to create opportunity to pursue happiness, and we also help people with basic needs and reducing the burden of basic needs. When you look at all of the basic needs that people have, they're entangled with each other. So to get to a healthcare appointment, you might need transportation. To go make your living, you're going to need transportation. Having public transportation that's reliable is super important. And so CATA has impacted, I don't know how many percentage, but hundreds and hundreds of people's lives that have come here. Less than a block away, we have two stops for the one going east and one going west. It's such an important, route for us. And having this transportation and people being able to get to us without having to spend $10, $15, $20 on an Uber. Once you learn the routes, then you can get anywhere. The relationship between CATA and the Fledge really formalized. When CATA gave us all of those bus tokens, it was a blessing for so many people and just a great supplement with the Route 1 being so close and all of that. It took a basic need and lessen the burden immediately for people. A single mother that can take the bus to work doesn't have to worry about that car, that insurance, and she can focus on childcare or healthcare or food or housing. And heck, someone just walking up and saying, "Hey, I'm late for work. I didn't have any change. Can you help me get to work?" And just being able to give them a token and see that relief in their face is amazing. It's a great partnership. I couldn't have wished for anything more, and it's just one less burden, and we love y'all for that. CATA coming through for sponsorship for some of these young artists, it has been a blessing. You should see the faces of these kids. I mean, you're the first sponsorship that they've ever really received. It's a word I think about when I think about CATA, and it's dignity. I just see CATA as being an integral part, the big node, if you will, within the city of what transportation should look like and how transportation can be something that restores dignity to people. I don't know if I'm the right person to be saying what CATA should be doing, but I certainly love what you are doing.